Welcome to day 10 of the January Journey to Financial Wellness. Today we're going to be talking about bank fees. There are a lot of bank fees, and some banks charge more than others. The traditional bank, brick and mortar, Chase, Citigroup, Bank of America, etc., have a number of fees that you should look at and compare and see where you can get the best deal. There can be low balance fees so that if you don't keep a certain amount, which could be $1,000, $5,000, you get charged. Sometimes you get charged for writing checks. Sometimes you get charged for doing transactions with a teller instead of going to the ATM. Sometimes you're charged for bouncing a check. And you can usually put a wall between your checking account and your saving account. Most banks, when you get one, you get both. And you can have it that it automatically goes to your saving account if you bounce a check, or you can say, no, don't do that. Be careful if you do that. I actually recommend that you do put that wall up so that you are intimidated by not writing a check that you can't afford, that you check your balance before you make a payment, before you use that debit card, before you make a purchase on your credit card. But that's your choice. But you will get charged if you have a NSF, non-sufficient funds, in your checking account when you write that check, and it bounces. So look at the fees that you're paying. It could be that your bank has a different account that you can open that has different fee payments. Sometimes you can reduce the fee by having multiple relationships with your bank. For instance, having a checking account, having a credit card, having your car loan there. So that could be in your best interest to have those relationships and reduce your monthly fees on your checking account. Or it might actually be in your best interest to pay a little bit more in fees each month and have your car loan with a credit union someplace else that has a much lower fee. It does require doing a little math. Sometimes simpler is better. Sometimes just having one place where you do all of your banking is the best choice. In that case, shop around, find that bank that has the features that you want for the lowest fees, and then just do your banking there. But know that as your life continues and your life changes, you're going to want to reconsider what bank you're at. The bank that you're at when you're in college might be different than the bank that you want when you go to buy a house or have a family or retire or whatever. So think about that. Make sure that you research your current bank, and every time you have a life change, reconsider what bank you're banking at. That's all for today.